All right, so I want to look at number 41 again. I think I made a mistake in my video from earlier today. So I want to kind of look at finding all the angles one at a time and looking at my triangles. All right, so I need angles A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and M is the last one. All right, so I'm going to use my linear pair postulate to help me find all the angles that will add up to 180 degrees. So right here I can put in 100 with my 142. I can put in a 38. So all I've got for right now. So now I'm going to look for some vertical angles. So these two angles are vertical angles. I can also have found this as being my linear pair. So I have 100 for G. I think that's about it for my vertical angles right now. I have some other vertical angles, but I need to have actual measurements. So I'm going to look at a few triangles. So this one at the top is an isosceles triangle, which means that these two angles will be the same. So if I call them both x, 2x plus 56 will be equal to 180. So if I subtract 180 from 56 from 180, and then I half that, that will give me each of my angle measures. So each of these are 62, which then creates a vertical angle here for angle K, which is 62 degrees. If I look at, this is what I failed to mention in my, or notice in my Zoom video from this morning. This is an isosceles triangle because these angles are marked congruent. So this angle is A, so this angle is also A. So 2A plus this 56 at the top will add up to 180. So these angles are also 62 degrees, for A being 62 degrees. All right. Keeping with my isosceles triangle theme, this is 62. I have congruent sides, so these two angles are congruent, so I'll make them both y here. So 2y plus 62 will add up to 180. So if I subtract 62 from the 180, and then I half that, I'll get each of these angles, which are 59 degrees. Vertical here, so angle L is 59 degrees. All right, so now I have a triangle that is not equilateral or isosceles, but I do know two of the triangles. So this angle M plus the 59 plus the 62 will add up to 180. So if I subtract 62 and 59 from 180, then I'll get this angle, which is 59. So it did end up being isosceles, where these sides are the same. All right, so looking at, let's see, this triangle here, the 62 one in this corner, but I have a right triangle here. So I have a 90 and a 40. So this angle is going to be the rest of it, which will be 50. So this angle will be 50. These two will add up to 180. So this would be 130 for my B. All right, looking at, let's see, here's another triangle. All right, so I'm going to look at this triangle here. I know two of my angles, so that third angle will add up to 180. So if I do my 180 and I subtract out 50 and 38, that will give me this angle here, which is 92. So this angle is 92. These two will create a linear pair. So 180 minus 92 will give me this angle F of 88 degrees. So this angle is marked congruent with this angle here, so I know that this angle needs to be 50 also. Now I have a triangle here where I know an angle is 92, another one is 50, so I can find this one, which will be a linear pair with this h that I'm looking for. So 180 minus 92 minus 50 will give me this angle here in this top corner, which will be 38. And then it'll be a supplement with this h angle that I'm looking for. So this angle h is 142. Looking down here, these two form a linear pair since I found this 50, which is congruent to this one. So this angle is also from C, 130 degrees. All right, and then looking at these vertical angles, this one is 50. So here I have a triangle with 150, so I'm missing this one here on the right. I subtracted out this angle here will be 30, which I can find its supplement here. So this is 30. This one will be 150. That was for my J. This angle is 150, so this angle is 150. But I'm looking for this triangle here, where I have a 72 and a 50, and I can find angle J. I'm wondering where, oh, is this an L? I think this is an L. Sorry. With an L. Here's my J. So 180 minus 50 minus 72 will give me this angle J, which is 58. So then I'm missing my D and E. So in this small triangle, I have a 62, I have a 50, so I can find this corner here. Got really tight. So minus a 50 minus a 62. So this angle is 68 here. So this angle is its supplement. So 180 minus 68, this angle E is 112 degrees. And then I can look at this large triangle to give me angle D. So I have two of the angles. One of them is 85. The other one is 30, so I'm missing this D. So 180 minus 85 minus the 30 in the corner will give me D of 65 degrees. Oh, I'm still missing an M. Oh, my M is here, 59 degrees.